How to fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll show you exactly how to resolve the 404 page not found error that sometimes pops up when you're using GitHub pages, especially if you're setting it up through TinyTask or a similar tool. So let's jump right in. If you're seeing a 404 error when trying to access your GitHub hosted site, don't worry, I'll walk you through what to do step by step. To start off, you've got to open your GitHub pages. So for that, head over to your GitHub dashboard and open any of your repositories. I'm going to click on this one over here. As you can see, this is basically my repository. You're going to click on settings over here. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Over here on the left side, you'll see under code and automation, there's an option called pages. Click on pages. Once you're inside the pages settings, you need to make sure two things are properly configured. Under the source section, it should say deploy from a branch. Right below that, in the branch dropdown, make sure it's set to main. If it's currently set to none, go ahead and change it. Also check that the folder is set to /root in the folder dropdown. After you've made these adjustments, click the save button. It might take up to 30 to 60 seconds for the changes to apply, so give it a moment. Once GitHub processes the deployment, a link to your live site will appear at the top of the pages section. Click that link to preview your website, and that's it. Your GitHub page should now load correctly without showing the 404 error. So that's basically how you can fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.